how to install Baidu app on Android. So if you want to install Baidu app on Android device, then first of all you need to check the internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you won't be able to download it. So after checking that, you can open up your Play Store and then go for the search bar, which is on the upper side, and search for Baidu. And after searching, here you will have this application. So this is the Baidu application. So you can simply tap on install button, and that's it. That's how you install. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection. And after downloading, you can simply tap on open, which is on the right side, and you can use your account. You can sign up to your account or you can log into your account. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.